first thing what we see is UIs. Okay, it is actually the part of basics, but we didn't see that time. Okay, it's a very simple thing. Okay, okay, fine. So generally, when we see the shortcuts, na, we see okay, the way of opening things, right? So dot form dot list. Okay, here we have two ways to open anything. Okay, one thing is maybe, so let's say I open the incident. Okay, so when you go to incident, the new, okay, or all, or maybe one. Okay, either you open the record like this or like the same. Okay, so these two we call them as form view. Correct? Everyone, is that fine? It's a very simple thing, man. Nothing to,
Yes.
yeah. So it is a palm view, and if you open this way, it is called as list view. Okay, palm view and list view. So the like incident dot form, incident dot short form. Okay, they opens the form. Incident dot list, capital or small, they opens the list. Correct? So this is the first simple thing. Okay, palm view and list view. We already knew it, we are using it, but we just written it now. Okay, first thing. Second thing is, okay, service now. So how a front end user will see the front service now? Okay, I am a part of an organization and we use ServiceNow as a tool, okay, to do our day-to-day activities. Okay, how many ways they do? They see. Okay, so see here, if you go to ServiceNow page, okay, first they see like this. Correct? This is the basic view that everyone will see. This is one view we call it as. Okay, it is called as UI16. Okay, user interface 16. They they named it as UI16. That's it. Okay, we no need to discuss much about it, right? Few years back, first when ServiceNow introduced initial days, maybe 16, okay, before 16, year 16, okay, it was having one more kind of view called UI15. Okay, so when ServiceNow introduced first time or initial days of ServiceNow, it came with a kind of view that is called UI15. So see here, you can see UI15. You go to this setting, okay, and here you see shift to UI15. Okay, it is available for everyone, admins, non-admins, everyone. It's a personalization. Okay, it's not a it's not a development. Okay, if I want to switch to UI15, yes, I can still do. Okay, but if I change it, okay, the only thing will change is the lavishness. That means cosmetic colors. Okay, the loading. So earlier it was completely a colorful one. Now it is like a kind of Excel kind of sheet it will come. So see here, even if you go to incident, so see here you are seeing like this, na? But here it will show in a different way, not maybe that granular way. Okay, but the same you are seeing. There is nothing different you are seeing. Okay, one second. It shows in a degrammarless colors, and here the navigator have some other options. Okay, but here you don't have those. Like see, normally, na, you see, what do you say, history and the other part, favorites and all here in the navigator tab. But here you see here. Okay, this is UI15. If you want to use, you still you can use it, and concepts are same. Okay, but UI15 with respect to loading performance, it is very lighter. UI16 is little upper, like little heavier, because it is loads extra CSS HTML components. See here, still it is loading it, but if you go to UI15, it is quicker because it doesn't have that much of loading things. Is that clear, everyone? UI15 and UI16?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you still see nowadays ServiceNow came up like so, sir. In my organization, we use ServiceNow, but I am just a user. I never. One second. Okay. I am just a user. I never seen this kind of page. Okay, I seen a page where the call is as portal. This is my ServiceNow page. Okay, just give me a second. Service portal. Okay. So the end users will directly have a page like this. Okay, they operate everything from here only. If they want to create something, they will create from here. Okay, if they want to see their tickets, they will see their tickets here. Okay, for them this is the only page. Yes, we limit the users to log into the system only to certain page. Okay, we call this one as service portal. Service portal is not a different topic, different concept, nothing. It is just a another view of showing the things. Here also we show all of them what the end user wants it. Okay, here also you can raise an incident. Here also he can see his tickets. Here also you can see his approvals. Okay, whatever he want to do on a daily basis, okay, we will show him. And here we will show him means the we here is like a general users where they have very basic access levels. Okay, if they want to use the further applications like heavy applications, they can still go and see in UI16. Okay, so service portal also one of the other view, another page where we limit users to access it, and there also they can see all of the content. It's not a separate concept altogether. It's just a another view of showing things. That's it.
How to access this service portal, Sridhar?
Here we can say service portal, navigate a service
or
portal.
or add a slash sv
Yeah,
to
add a
the
slash sp.
instance.
Right. So generally, okay, in few organizations, what we seen is, okay, let's say I have only, okay, I am a user with only ITL user. Okay, I am a simple user. I don't have any much roles. Okay, I'm not part of any groups. So I'm an end user. So for end user, if they type servicenow.com, okay, the link that we have our instance, it will automatically open this one. So we write a script like to navigate this one. Okay, so that this is their front end page. That's it. No more choice. And for others, it is the front end page, but still they can have an access to see the other UI16 page also.
So every front-end user will have the access of the portal.
Yes, not everyone have access to portal. But my point is like we don't portal. We will limit to see only people. Okay, okay, let's say other way. Okay, if he is a general simple user, okay, we only give access to portal. If he is having a other accesses, then he also can access UI16. Okay, that is one particular one project specification. It's not a generalized statement, but we use the views like this in real time.
Okay, yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm setting up. Okay, service portal is not completely a new thing. It's just a view. Okay, we have another option to show the things of a user. Okay, and he see the same things how you see here. But he don't see everything, but he see what he needs it. That's it. Okay, here also you can have incidents. Okay, so see here my assigned tasks are there. No? So if you go here to incidents, here I have something like incident assigned to me, assigned to my group. Okay, whatever you are seeing here, you can make it available in portal page also. I don't want this one. I can remove it. I don't want this one. I can remove it. I don't want this one. I can remove it. I want a new one. My approvals. Okay, my incidents, my tasks. Everything you can enable it. That's where the service portal concept will come. Okay, how to enable it, how to disable it, how you can add it. Okay, those things and all will come. Okay, we call it as a widget here, widget connection, widget in widget you can configure it, what you want to show, what you want to remove, and all. It's altogether a different topic. We don't want it. I'm just showing because many people will come up and say, service portal, will you teach? Okay, is that required? And all? No, is that it is required? Maybe after you know the strong basics. So that too, it is not compulsory, and we need to know what exactly the service portal is. People will say this is altogether a rocket science or different technology. No, it's just a part of service now and another view. That's it. Fine, everyone.
Yeah,
Yes,
got
sir.
it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now service portal UI15, UI16. Okay. Nowadays they are also introducing something called agent workspace, which is very advanced after this one. What you call San Diego. Okay. You just see how it looks like, but don't go beyond that. Okay. Agent workspace. So this is another view, same
Sir,
like
is
yes, sir.
sir is agent workspace now called employee center?
Employee Central is a separate tool actually. There is a tool called Employee Central. Agent Workspace is not Employee Central. Okay, it's altogether a different view. Okay, to show the things in a different manner. It will show like this. Okay, so here, like Google tabs. Okay, you can use multiple tabs. So let's say I want to open 10 incidents. Okay, so in one page, see here. Maybe you can all see the screen, right? I think I can show here. No, Agent Workspace is here. Or do I need to enable it? Yeah, this one. So this is another view. Agents will see this page. Okay, and from here only they can operate everything like creation of incident, seeing their incident, they seeing their queue incidents. Okay, so see here how many incidents you opened it, how many, like not only incidents.
Agent means which agent, sir?
Normally normally no, in real time we call agents as the people who works on the tickets, service days.
Like third party?
No. Our internal only who have ITL role and who works on maybe L1, L2 service desk people, I think.
Okay, okay.
Right. So see here, this is workspace. Okay. Here also you see what the page is looks like in portal, and here you can see your options, same like navigator. You can keep what are the things you can keep it, but instead of seeing UI16, okay, you see in this page. And see here, I opens incidents. Okay. I want to see my incidents, or I want to where is the incident, ma? Do you see incidents here? Very good. Incidents is not assigned. Here. Okay. I open all, right? So how see the tabs how it is loading. Okay, it is coming up. So incidents are loading. Okay, and then I open one incident. Okay, it is loading here only, like a Chrome tab. Okay, I go here. Okay, I open here one more. Okay, I want to open change. I can open change from here. So change also will come here. Okay, so all the applications, you are at one place where you can do everything in one from one place. So see here, incident open, something open, RTM open, catalog task open, KB opened, okay, some interaction opened, alert opened. So you are in one place where you see everything in one one area. Okay, here also you see everything of incident. It's nothing like you see all the buttons, you see nodes, okay, but it shows in a different format.
Yeah, sir, on when you click on lists on the top left
Uh-huh.
and go to task.
Where is the task?
So is this task the same as the task table,
Yes, ma'am. Whatever you see
or is it
here, whatever you are seeing here, the task, the same thing. Catalog, we call it as catalog. See, here you have tasks, right?
is that the parent table, task table?
We don't know how the module is configured. Like, okay, then the application name says task. We don't know whether it is a task table or in other task table or something. The meaning of this one is my tasks. Okay, whatever my assigned to me is there, na? All these things what it is showing to me, they are my tasks. This is what see my task is
Okay,
there.
sir.
You can see the result here. Okay, if it is my group, so
It's not
whatever,
a task table.
yeah. So these are all tasks. Okay, not only instance, every task. Okay, coming from all the groups which I am part of it.
Can we modify the workspace?
Is that the question? I think your voice is too low.
Yeah, oh, I'm so sorry. Can you hear me now? I said, can we modify the workspace?
No, your voice is too low and some noise is coming. Can you please check your mic or something? Anyone
Okay.
got her question, please?
Yes, sir. She's asking if we can modify the workspace.
We can modify, yes. We can modify. Okay, and we can modify. However we want to modify, we can modify the both of it. Yes is the answer. What you want to show here, what you want to hide here, everything you can configure. That's where the another developments, okay, projects will start.
Sorry, is this better now?
It is better now, ma. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. The reason I was asking is that I'm a bit familiar
Agent
with this
workspace.
workspace.
Correct.
Yes. So now the issue is that I can create favorites on the normal interface. That's the UI16 or
Normally,
15.
that means you don't. Yeah.
Yeah, but I cannot customize on this portal. So I was wondering, is it possible to customize?
When you say you can't because you can't do it, what
Mhm.
instance you are referring? Is your office instance?
I till it's Office instance, live instance,
So you
but
are
I till
you
role.
have admin roles there.
No, just I till.
So in that particular instance, they are limited in such a way that
Mm-hmm,
ITL people can only access this one, and they can't do anything on UI16.
mm-hmm. Okay.
So they are forcing you to do this agent workspace,
No. Yeah.
correct? So because it's a new
Yes.
instance, new one, and
Mm-hmm,
they stopped using that UI16 and forcing you people to start working on it because they want to enforce it.
mm-hmm.
This is
Okay.
more flexible to agents actually, where they can do the same work very efficiently.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe initially it looks a little hard to work on this, but maybe if you work for 1 week now, then you like this view.
Okay.
Correct?
I think I prefer the other one, but
But it
yeah.
has its own limitations. Not every functionality of UI16 will work here. Okay, generally
Yes.
we call them as UI actions, the buttons that you see from here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
not
Mm-hmm.
all will work. So in order to work in this particular platform, you need to yeah, work on them. Like we need to do some extra. The basic
Mm-hmm.
scripts will not work here. We need to write
Okay.
some extra scripts here to make it work on agents workspace.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes, ma.
I think we can't see these favorites and history, all these things in this view, right, sir?
That's how it's defined, ma. No. Yeah. Favorites also it's there, ma. Somewhere it's there. See, my list is I think favorites.
Okay. I mean,
History, I'm not sure. Maybe. History. I don't think so. It is there. But favorites. This. I think this is the my list favorites.
okay, okay. So in the add my list, we can add
You
it.
can add it and then start using it, ma. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
So it is same like this. See, this is whatever they are implementing, improving. Okay, it is more or less same, but it looks in a different way. That's why I said portal is not the separate thing. It is simple. Same behavior what you work on UI16 will be work on portal also. But when we see this portal page, we see okay, this is completely different. And how people will tell about portal is like this is not service now. This is something rocket science. They will expose like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in some interviews, most of the time I expecting this. Have you worked on service portal
They
like
will
that?
work. So they will work. So see here, I will tell you one requirement. Okay, in your organization, you are limiting view of portal to every agent. That means in your organization, to 20,000 agents are there. For
Okay.
them, portal is the front end. Okay. So
Hmm.
your work is like I don't want to see all of this junk here. Tours I don't want. Cart I don't want. System status I don't want. I want to see my approvals here, my incidents here, my tasks here, my knowledge base here. So who will do it? We do it, developers, right? So you need to make sure that whatever the client wanted in this portal, we will customize it accordingly. I don't want to see ServiceNow here. I want to see my company logo here. Instead of saying how can I help you, maybe I want to say enter what you want. You want to change this thing here.
Okay.
So these customizations as a developers we do the same way how you do in this page. So here also, so what we do as a development, I want to create a new field here. What you do, you go to table, create a new field. The same way how we created for our application.
Yes, yes.
Similarly, the customizations what is required on this page, I think you need to give 1 minute, ma'am. Please give me 1 minute. Yeah, this is what the expectation from us. So whatever the development on the platform level need, we do it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, sir, can you show the glimpses of if someone comes and asks you to customize this? How do you do that?
That's what we covered,
Let's
Mama.
say,
See, let's
oh,
say someone asked
mhm,
to create a new field in the incident table. That is a story for us,
yep,
right?
yep,
So I took the story and then I go to this table, create a new table in Dev. That agile methodology we covered,
mhm,
no?
yes, sir.
So in that
We,
yes, ma'am. In the agile methodology, we driven one entire story process, right?
yep,
So that process we follow. You are a developer, you do
okay,
something, okay, and then you move to test, ask them to test it. Them means here our internal testing and customer, and then you move to production on 14th day.
yes, sir. But for service portal, the way the page looks, how do you customize that?
That will be
This
done in a
thing.
widget level. There is some concept called widget and all. So what you see here
Okay.
is controlled by widget. Okay. So this is not our topic altogether anyway, but here you do. Okay, what you
That widget access only for admin, na,
admins,
sir?
yes, admins.
Yeah. Okay.
So how did you populate the widget?
Control Alt and right click. So you are in this
Okay.
page now. You keep here cursor, Control Alt right click. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Don't touch this one now because see here. How can I help you? I want to change it to something else. Page category. So these are the basics. Okay. You can change it and play with, but not now. Okay. Once you know the service now 100%, the basic part, then you can next go for it. So yeah.
Control Alt right.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, in the form of views, we can discuss these things. These two are advanced. For us, not required, but I'm just introducing because you are hearing, okay, do you know service portal? Do you know this one? Do you know that one? Okay, you should not confuse. Okay, next thing is